Mark Vande Hei a suit IV for this operation, just confirming with our spacewalkers that they have good tether configuration as the crew lock goes down to vacuum. We're at about 1.2 psi for now.
What'd you think?
It's awesome.
Is that something?
Yeah.
And you just heard NASA astronaut remarking on her very first spacewalk that it was awesome. NASA astronaut Mark Vande Hei working to open the hatch so that Barron and Marshburn can come through.
You take care of steps 4 and 5 for the com reconfig.
Suit IV Rajachari working to get the first spacewalker back through the hatch. This was the 245th EVA for station assembly, maintenance, and upgrades. It was the 13th spacewalk for the year for the ISS. This was Marshburn's 5th spacewalk, giving him a total of 31 hours, 1 minute spacewalking time outside of the space station. This is Barron's first ever spacewalk, so the total of today's spacewalk, 6 hours and 32 minutes, is her record. Since this is the 245th spacewalk, that totals 1,548 hours and 26 minutes, or the equivalent of 64 days, 12 hours, and 26 minutes. This is the very first EVA of Expedition 66.